Let's just take our audiences very quickly to the BJP's big poll projection. So exactly what are they saying is going to be their score? Let's take a look. So number one, they're saying that in Maharashtra, which remember is right up there in the states with the most seats, you've got Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal. In Maharashtra, they're saying that the BJP will win big, 40 or 42 seats. Essentially, it will emerge the older brother in the alliance that they have. They are already the older brother, perhaps an older brother. And let's carry on. They're saying they'll repeat their results in Madhya Pradesh, in Uttarakhand, in Jammu and Kashmir, and in Delhi. This is a confident BJP. Delhi in particular, they won all the seats in 2019. So they're saying that's going to happen again. They're saying they're going to repeat 2019's feat in Gujarat and in Karnataka. Remember, Gujarat, clean sweep. Karnataka is where they got a bulk of their southern push seats. So the south 5 states, 130 seats together. Karnataka is where they really got a big chunk of those seats. And that's really it. Karnataka and Telangana is where their spread in 2019 was limited to. They're also saying we'll increase 5 or 7 seats in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, remember, the state that brings in the most seats to the Lok Sabha table. They're very confident. They're saying they'll even up their shares there in the Hindi heartland. And you have the BJP also saying their seat count in Odisha will increase to 16. That's an interesting one because remember, Odisha has the country's most popular chief minister in Naveen Patnaik. So they're saying that the Biju Janata Dal perhaps will not score as well as they will. In Assam, the tally the BJP says will increase. They're saying they'll win 12 seats in Assam. So these are the projections as you can see. Okay, we're going to play it out for you once again. The conversation that you saw our group editor have with the Home Minister. Take a look at the conversation, then we'll go back to our reporters.
अगर आप पहले 2 फेजेस को देखें और इसकी चर्चा काफी चल रही है कि वोटर टर्नआउट थोड़ा लो रहा है, कुछ स्टेट्स में 5-6% भी नीचे रहा है वोटर टर्नआउट, तो 400 पार का आपका नारा है, 370 भारतीय जनता पार्टी, तो क्या गाड़ी पटरी पे है? कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि कुछ रेल
पटरी पे है जी। आप परिणाम के दिन देख लेना, 12:30 बजे के पहले एनडीए 400 पार कर जाएगी, मोदी जी फिर से प्रधानमंत्री होंगे। जो लोअर टर्नआउट है इसके बहुत सारे कारण हैं। 12 साल के बाद मतदाता सूची का शुद्धिकरण हुआ है, एक। दूसरा कारण है कि सामने से कोई लड़ाई ही नहीं है, जिसके कारण टर्नआउट पर एक प्रकार से इफेक्ट होता है। मगर हमारी पार्टी की टीम ने, मैंने स्वयं बहुत डिटेल एनालिसिस किया है। हम 2 चरण में 100 पार कर 100 से भी कई अधिक सीटें जीत के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं तीसरे चरण में। तो मुझे 400 पार के लक्ष्य में कोई दिक्कत नहीं दिखाई पड़ती।
महाराष्ट्र से आपको पूरी उम्मीद है कि 41 से
पक्का हम, देखिए, आंकड़ा 41 का 40 हो जाए या 42 हो जाए, कमोबेश यही परिणाम रहेगा। महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, जम्मू कश्मीर, दिल्ली, गुजरात, कर्नाटक हम 100% रिपीट करेंगे। उत्तर प्रदेश हम 5 से 7 सीट की बढ़ोतरी करेंगे। ओडिशा हम 16 के आसपास जा सकते हैं और 16 और आसाम में भी 12 के ऊपर चले जाएंगे, 12 भी हो सकती है। बंगाल हम कम से कम 30 सीट जीतेंगे।